Welcome back to Lambretta-Lutz. So, from the 1 hour time slack video, I built this Chimera engine, and the client now did a complete integration. I'll make even some links what he did. So he did a very nice job. And now we are, after a few kilometers of driving, being in the final setup of this 30 millimeters carburetors from Ikuni that works very, very well. And well, I make some first dynos, and I maybe can repeat it because the the power band is really, really nice, and the engine is really, really nice to see and to drive. And hopefully I can repeat this power dyno. So I will take you to the journey. Let's see if we can get similar results with the next one. So I hope you can see it. Okay, and I hope it will work. So I will start the engine soon. Maybe make the sound level and volume lower. Oh my God, what just happened? So I was really worried that the engine was completely broken and that something with a crank or whatever it is. So a drop of more than 5 horsepower, because I make another run that I didn't record it because I was actually so worried, with just 44 horsepower. So I had a drop of almost 6 horsepower in just 4 dynos. And I really didn't know. And then when I looked around, I saw a lot of smoke. And I look at the back wheel and I see that almost the back wheel was on flame because the disc brake and the rear disc brake was blocked for some reason. And the dynos that I did was with a blocking rear wheel, and I tried to work against it again and again. So it was really a situation that didn't happen before. But on one side, it was funny because actually it was a small thing to do, and we changed to another system so that is not going to happen. On the other side, it was interesting to see what happened because on the street it didn't happen, so it did happen on the dyno. After we changed the brake pads and everything, the engine was back to 50 horsepower, over 50 horsepower. And unfortunately, I didn't record it. But I want to share you these experiences of where probably can be a drop of horsepower as well. And you should have seen my face. I was really worried that I did destroy the client engine. So please comment. I hope you like it, this lessons learned. And well, we will see you next time. Thank you.